What are the prerequisites for taking the ITIL 4 Sustainability in Digital and IT course? Unlike other ITIL 4 modules, there are no prerequisites for taking Sustainability in Digital and IT. Candidates can even take the extension module without passing the ITIL 4 foundation exam. All you need is curiosity, open-mindedness, commitment to learning about sustainability, and a strong desire to make our shared future better. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you are interested in free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description. Follow Good e-learning on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for regular ITIL resources such as posters, articles, videos, and study guides.